Yo guys, wow, the crowd, big up to the crowd, man. Today it was a eviction day, and EK left, and then Swiss left. Obvious what he did to Ashley. We have been waiting for this day. Finally this day came, and today it was the 9th of March, and he chose Elshi on a day. It was 10th of February, and he was on top 10. He left. Finally, we are happy now. He left. Anyway, the crowd went crazy, man, when Smash called Sweet Guluva. Anytime when he mentioned the name Sweet Guluva, the crowd went crazy, man. Big up to his fans, man. His fans, they really support him, and they were so happy, and it was good to see that Sweet Guluva is safe. Because I think there was a moment where he thought, you know what, I'm leaving here tonight. I'm leaving, I'm out. But when they say you are safe, you could tell that he's very emotional, and he didn't wanna, show it. But there was a moment where he looked into, and it was like, I'll kill you, not such, but you know what you did to thinking that I'm leaving. Guess what? I'm back in the game. So man, yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Boom.